So if I've learned anything from this past year, is that life could change in the blink of a second. You cannot control the future. So for me, I choose to find peace and happiness in my current situation until I can change it. So when I'm looking for a home, or I'm sharing a home or a condominium with you guys, the first thing that always comes to mind is the environment. I love environment that gives life. It gives you such a sense of, being present, living around nature and the water. And I know that we cannot make more land. So I feel like just being close to the water and enjoying nature will give you a sense of feeling alive. If this past year have taught me anything, is that life could change in the blink of a second. You cannot predict the future or control it. So for me, I choose to find peace and happiness in my current situation until I can change it. As young professionals, I know that being in an area surrounded by nature and water will definitely make an impact in your life. So today I went on a journey to find an area suited for young professionals. And as I was driving, I remember one of my favorite restaurants. It's a Peruvian restaurant that's located on Biscayne. And I remember there was this beautiful area that's hidden in the back of that restaurant. And that area is called Edgewater. And as I take a walk in the park, it dawned on me that this area is perfect for young professionals, dog lovers, people that want to be surrounded by nature and water. And as I walk and I look up at the trees blowing in the wind and the water flowing calmly, I just know that this area is suitable for all of my dreamers. This park is so massive, full of trees. It has volleyball, tennis courts, basketball courts, water, beautiful building, rocks. It's just a beautiful park surrounded by beautiful condos and beautiful people. Usually I would take you in the property to show you the property first, but today I'm showing you the area which is surrounded by this beautiful property that I'm going to show you in my next video, because I feel like it's important in life to be happy and to find peace. And in order to find those things, I think you need to surround yourself with nature. Life is what we make it. So go and choose to live in a neighborhood that is surrounded by beautiful restaurants, people, trees, dogs, cats, all type of animals, and just live your life. This park has 2 beautiful chairs that has so many depictions of baseball players, music, Christianity, whatever it is, it's embedded in this chair, and I just find it so beautiful and so present. So as I continue to walk in this park, I could see this as a place where if you wanted to run, it has a beautiful trail. If you wanted to boat, it has a boat rental dock close by. If you wanted to play tennis, it has 2 beautiful courts. If you wanted to play volleyball, it has 2 different courts. Well, not courts, but 2 different sand volleyball courts. This park is called Margaret Park, which this area just provides so many amenities. And the building that I'm going to show you in my next building has so many amenities that will blow your mind. So just imagine being in nature on the outside, and then on the inside of your building you are surrounded as well with so many amenities that will give you a sense of happiness and peace.
Painting pictures with my body.
And then close you have the marina. And I have my new friend. Say hello. Say hello.
Moves so different when you're watching. There's just something about me when I get around. I save my lips for kissing.
So the 2 volleyball court, as you can see, are beach volleyball. It's not a hard court. You have sand. Then you have the dark area right here. And then there is 1 tennis court and another tennis court. So this whole area is very for the young professional, the active young professional that have a nice lifestyle. And you know, even if you have a kid, you know, there's also a kid park right here. So for those of you that are fans of Pura Vida, there's one right here in the area, right across the park.
So as I stroll along the street just to take in the surrounding, I notice that this area is well equipped for dog lovers. You have Italian restaurants and cafes. You have just so many amenities that I feel like this area is just so perfect for the young professional. So on my next video, I will definitely take you inside to show you a 2-bedroom property located on the east with beautiful views. This property is spectacular. The views are just breathtaking. You have views of downtown Miami, and you have a view of east and west. It's gonna be so amazing. So I hope you stay tuned for the next video, and as I continue to show you the area, I hope you like and subscribe. And if you wanted to see more real estate videos or more home tours or condo tours or just beautiful vlogs, don't forget to subscribe. And guess what? I'll see you later. Bye guys.
The buildings are so beautiful here. So coming soon is this building right here.